Have you ever wondered why you're covered in itchy welts while the person standing right next to you hasn't been bitten once? It's not your perfume or the color of your shirt. So in this video, we are breaking down the hidden reasons why mosquitoes bite you more than everyone else. And by the end of this, I'll show you how to finally break at least one toxic, blood-bonded relationship in your life. I shouldn't be telling you this, but mosquitoes are not picking on you just because you're hot or have sweet blood. These prolific blood hunters are actually using a more sophisticated game plan. I bet you didn't know this. Your body releases tiny chemicals known as Volatile Organic Compounds, or VOCs, that leave trails for mosquitoes to follow. These chemical signals, which include ammonia and carboxylic acids, are invisible to our naked eyes. However, for the specialized female mosquito, this is basically free bait. They use maxillary palps to detect exhaled carbon dioxide from up to 100 feet away, and antennae packed with receptors to sniff out your VOCs at close range. Once they lock onto your chemical signature, they attack like a guided missile locked onto its target. The biggest myth about people who attract mosquitoes is that it's just random scents or perfumes causing the problem. However, this couldn't be further from the truth, as high-level attractors possess a distinct skin chemistry dominated by carboxylic acids. It's the card that Mother Nature dealt you, and it's now part of your biology, one you can't run away from, as it creates a potent, long-lasting scent trail that acts like a persistent neon sign for mosquitoes, lingering on your skin far longer than other chemical signals. Recent 2026 longitudinal studies have confirmed that this profile is nearly impossible to mask. Researchers tracked subjects over 3 years and found that these chemical signatures remained remarkably stable. Whether subjects changed their diet, switched to antibacterial soaps, or altered their lifestyle, their magnet status stayed the same. Want to know something weird? Your skin is home to billions of bacteria, and for mosquitoes, this gives them an upper hand. They don't just smell you, they smell the chemical factories living on your skin, turning your sweat into an irresistible aroma they just can't resist. Unlike other bacteria found in your body, Staphylococcus and Corynebacterium metabolize odorless sweat and sebum into volatile organic compounds, or VOCs. They turn compounds like lactic acid and carboxylic acids into the specific olfactory beacons, like 2-methylbutyrate, that signal to them that you got something juicy flowing through you. What if I told you that studies show that mosquito magnets often have a low-diversity skin microbiome, meaning they have fewer types of bacteria but a high abundance of specific attractant-producing microbes? On the other hand, people who rarely get bitten often have high-diversity skin profiles, where protective bacteria create a more muted odor profile. So, if you are a mosquito magnet, it's probably because the microbes you have break down sweat, producing carboxylic acids that act as the ultimate invitation for mosquitoes. They combine with your body heat and CO2, creating an odor cocktail that keeps you as a target. I know what you're thinking. Why is it that some people possess a genetic cloaking device producing natural repellents like decanal, while others lack these and become high-traffic targets? The answer is coded in your HLA genes. They are responsible for dictating your skin's microbiome, which transforms your sweat into a more attractive scent for these bloodthirsty mosquitoes. So, does this mean that being invisible to these insects is nature's lottery ticket to you? Well, quite the contrary. These invisible traits are heritable, passed down through generations as a survival response to vector-borne diseases. But they may also cause individuals to miss out on certain environmental cues or social proximity benefits. Now, here's where it gets deeper. A higher metabolism means you're burning more fuel, which pumps out more CO2 and generates more body heat. Your metabolic rate is the engine. A genetically higher metabolism increases your basal body temperature and CO2 output. In short, people with this trait are constantly sending signals to mosquitoes that food is about to be served. I almost didn't post this, but for a long time now, we've used DEET to keep bugs away. DEET is a highly effective, widely used synthetic chemical repellent designed to prevent mosquitoes by masking your natural scent, including carboxylic acids that are produced by bacteria living on your skin. However, scientists are now doing something pretty awesome by creating creams that can mask your natural high attractor scent so mosquitoes can't find you. It gets even cooler. By 2026, researchers are using a tool called CRISPR to edit mosquito odor receptors and affect how they track you. So, if you've ever felt like you're the only unlucky one who can't enjoy outdoor trips or camping because of mosquitoes, you are not alone. Want to live that free outdoor life? The latest skin science says that keeping your skin microbiome healthy with special probiotics can help you stay less detectable. Who knows? One day, you might just be
Got it. Heading right.
unsmellable
Great job,
to
team!
every mosquito at the outdoor campfire.